Alright guys, so we are here at our desktop and there is my desktop, and on that one I have Git bash open. So what I'm going to do, the next step is I'm going to make a clone of my new repository first project on my desktop. So first I will visit this website and then I will click on HTTPS, just copy the URL. Okay, once I will copy the URL, I will just go on my Git bash, write down Git command clone, and then just paste the URL over here. What it will do, it will just create a copy of my project on my desktop in my local machine. Okay, so it has created. I am going to write down ls. It is just going to show me the first project, cd first project. Just press tab and it will write it. So ls, now we just have readme.md file. What I'm going to do next is writing touch command, touch, and let's call index.html. Remember, touch command will only work in the terminal of Git bash. If you are going to use the Windows CMD, touch command will not work. Okay, so next what I am going to do, write down the ls command again. So index.html will be created. I'm going to write code dot over here, so it will just open my Visual Studio Code over here. Okay, in this Visual Studio Code, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write HTML:5, or it will just write it. So typing H1 tab and my first project. Just save the changes, and after saving the changes, I'm going to close this and I'm going to write down git status command over here. One changes representing in index.html. You can see it is also showing how you can add the file into the Git. So just follow the syntax, git add file name index.html, hit enter. And if you want to add something like all the files, then you can definitely use git add dot. It will add all the files. If you just want to add all the, let's suppose .css file, static.css, and it will add all the file. But we have just one file. We have done the addition. It's going to stage the file in the staging area. Then we are going to write git commit, okay, -m, and with the m we are going to write the message. Okay, index.html added. Once I hit enter, it just added the file. Okay, and now once it commit, a hash code is being generated. Like this is the unique code for this commit. It has been generated, and I'm going to write git push, and it will push the changes to the server. Okay, so here are the details like enumerating objects, delta compression, three of 3 done, and this is, here we are. So to see our changes are reflecting on our server, I'm going to just visit my github.com account, just pressing the refresh button, and now you can see we have index.html file available on github.com with the content that I have written my first project in H1 with the complete HTML. So this is how you can clone a project on your local machine, make the changes and commit those changes, and here we are. Okay,